Hello, it is week number 13. Is it 13? Yeah, it's 13. If you can see behind me, it's nighttime, and I never, ever, ever work at night. But I had something to do today, so I'm having to make my video at night. My whole family's home. I've already restarted this twice. Last week, you were doing a Chapter 9 review and then a matching Chapter 9 quiz. The quiz was not proctored. That'll be the last. Well, we're going to have another quiz, but anyway, that's the last quiz on new material. The next quiz is just our exam review. And it covered interest, it covered simple interest, compound interest, and it also went back to some stuff from Chapter 4 on percentages. And so I hope you finished that. If you're watching this video and you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go back to week number 12 and complete the Chapter 9 review and the Chapter 9 quiz. It's not proctored, so you can still complete the quiz. It'll just have points taken off for being late. This week is week number 13. This is a really important week. I have gone ahead and opened up the rest of the course. So the rest of the course is open. I'm not going to add anything else. I'm not going to change anything. I guess I will add a maybe personal video next week to week 14. But otherwise, it's out there for you to complete between now and December 15th. There are some due dates, but basically I opened the last 2 weeks of class already. This week, I made some videos and I called them exam hot topics because I realized that there were some things on this final exam that we had sort of skirted around and discussed, but maybe not exactly like it's going to come up on the exam, and I don't want you to be surprised by anything. So I did make some videos of some things that are definitely on the exam. There's dust flying. But are a little bit different than maybe what we had done in our labs and Hawks assignments. So please watch those hot topic videos. That's very important. I wouldn't have wasted my time making those videos if I did not think that you needed it. In addition, you have 2 review quizzes in Hawks Learning. I think you can take them 3 times and it'll record your highest score, and I'm going to average those together. They're not proctored. But those 2 quiz reviews together will be really good preparation for the final exam. And then the last thing for this week is that course survey. If you would please take the course survey, I'm pretty sure it's the same one from October, but maybe your opinion of this class has changed. Anyway, they want feedback again at the end of the semester. So if you would please complete the course survey, I would love for you to add some comments at the bottom and give me some feedback on your experience. The last week of class, which again, I do plan on making one final video next week, but I will go ahead and tell you week 14 is open. Okay, I've never done that before. I've never opened up 2 weeks. I've never opened up a week ahead of time. But I decided since this final exam is proctored and I want to make sure everyone has time to get to the Academic Success Center if you choose that method, or an appointment with ProctorU. I don't want you to wait to the last minute because it gets extremely busy, particularly the Academic Success Centers on main campus in Laurinburg. So make sure you've got your appointment set up. Again, the final exam is open, so you can go ahead and take it now. I wouldn't take it before I completed those review quizzes, and I sure wouldn't take it before I watched those hot topic videos. So definitely prepare yourself for the final exam, but as soon as you're ready to take it, it's open. You do have to have an appointment though. I graded the interest labs this week, and you all did a really good job. There were just some couple mistakes, but overall, I love that lab because I find interest to be something that we all deal with in life. I mean, you can't avoid it. Trying to think what else. We're almost done. Please take the course evaluation. Please complete the review quizzes. You need to watch the hot topic videos first because the hot topic videos are some specific things that I know we just sort of did not drill in on in the specific way that maybe I needed to. And so watch that. It's almost over. We have 1 more week. I almost did not make this video, but I was like, oh my goodness, Leslie, you have not missed a single week. And I just wanted to make the video because I'm stubborn. And I can't miss the 13th week. That would just be not right. So anyway, here I am in the dark. My whole family's home, and this is it. So one more week. I hope you have a great week. I've tried to, like I said, open up that last week so that you can go ahead and schedule, whatever you have to do. I know a lot of exams are coming up for everyone in all the different classes. And so I just wanted to give you an opportunity. If you feel comfortable, you can go ahead and take it once you get the reviews and the hot topic videos under your belt. Okay? So have a great week and let me know if you need anything.